Hello everyone, I'm Aditi from myonlineshiksha.com. I hope you're doing well and you're keeping safe. In these COVID times, we're all searching for something new to do. So why not learn a new language? Today, we'll be talking about the French language and how learning French can be very fruitful for your future. So let's meet Mrs. Shibani Venkatesh and learn about French language from her. Hello, Shivani ma'am. I welcome you on behalf of My Online Shiksha. I hope you are doing well at home.
Yes, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm absolutely fine, ma'am. So today we'll be talking about how French is a very useful language to learn and the
Yes,
objectives
of course.
and the future prospects of the language. So, ma'am, I'll start by asking you this very question that how is learning a new language useful for future?
Okay. So, of course, before answering that, I would like to say learning any new thing for that matter is really important. We often tend to underestimate the capacity of our own brain. So, people tend to think that, okay, after a certain point of time, it's not possible to learn new things, but it's not true. Our brain is a miracle, really. So, it can do wonders. So, we
Yes,
need to constantly feed our brain and we need to continuously learn new things. Anybody can learn any new thing, any new skills at any point of time in their life.
right.
So I think we need to have faith in ourselves. And also, I would like to say that life is too short. So better late than never. So life is too short to have any regrets. So anybody can learn anything. Only thing that provided they should be able to dedicate time and they should have the interest and the passion, the consistency, the attitude of not giving up. So all this is very important. And specifically talking about the benefits of learning a new language, I would say, firstly, I think everybody would be interested in knowing about the job prospects. So
Yes,
to highlight on that, I would assure that there's a huge scope as far as job market is concerned.
okay,
So there are a lot of opportunities in various sectors for learning new languages. Apart from that, learning a new language can also give you a whole new perspective of the world. So with every
right,
new language that you can speak, you see the world with a different vision. Apart from that, also learning a language can undoubtedly boost one's self-confidence, and it's great for improving your memory skills also.
okay, okay, absolutely. Absolutely, ma'am. And in these COVID times, in lockdown also, people were searching for new things to do, and
Yes,
people actually found solace in learning a new language, and they found it very interesting. And for a
definitely.
language, yeah, and for a language like French, it's called the language of the elite. It comes from France, and it's very elite. It's very flashy, but at the same time, it's kind of tough. The pronunciations are should be accurate, and everything should be flawless. So, why learn French in specific? Out of all the languages, why is French? Why does French get an edge over all these languages?
Okay. So already you have quoted all the main reasons why one can learn French as a foreign language. But apart
Okay.
from that, statistically speaking, also, French is the fifth most widely spoken language in the world, and
Yes.
it's also the second most learned foreign language all over the world next to English. So
Oh my
that
God.
it gives
Okay.
you a major reason to learn French. Apart
Absolutely.
from that, there is a common preconception that French is very difficult. No, I can't learn it. No, it's not like
Yes.
that. Yeah,
Okay.
we know English, right? So we speak English. The script is same. So anybody who knows and speaks English, who knows to write English, it's an added advantage for us only. We can learn English, we can learn French easily with the background of English.
Okay.
So if you consider other languages like Russian and Chinese, they have their own script. But for French, it shares the script with English. So the alphabets are the same. Only thing, as you said, the pronunciation, yes, it's totally different. But even then, there are some nuances. Slowly, anybody can understand it
Okay.
with constant practice. And also, learning French can also be a gateway to learning other such foreign languages of the same family. For example,
Okay.
after knowing French, it will be even more easier to learn Spanish, Italian, etc. Yes.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So I know a bit of Spanish, and after I hear a few French words, they sound familiar. I mean, once you get the hold of one language, I think you can. It's easier to
Yes,
grasp the other languages.
definitely. Yes, yes.
Yes. So,
Yes.
in specific, if we talk about French, you talked about how learning a new language opens up job avenues. So, in if we talk about French in specific, what job prospects or what future prospects does French open up?
So as I already told you, knowing French is a career asset. It's a big, big strength for your CV. There are various opportunities in all the domains. For example, starting from the IT sector, there are lots of French international companies that have opened their regional offices in India. So there you can get jobs in IT companies and MNCs. Okay, and there are jobs for translation and interpretation,
Yes.
proofreading, editing, content writing, all these things. And apart from this, one main thing is teaching. There's a lot of
Yes.
scope. So because French is the most taught language, most taught second language, foreign language in India.
Right.
That itself answers the question. So there's a huge demand and scope for teachers and professors in schools and colleges. Of course, it needs much more qualification. With basic French, you can't teach. You need to learn. I'll talk about the qualifications also. Yes.
Yes. So, ma'am, of course, we were talking about the qualification and everything because these certificates play an important role when it comes to learning a new language because you have to actually show them to the
proof is
tutors.
important. Yes, yes.
Yes. So, ma'am, can you please talk about the various levels and examinations that French students have to undergo?
Yeah, talking about the levels, according to the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, there are 6 levels, starting from A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So A1 is basically the beginner's level, A2 is the elementary level, B1 intermediate, B2 is the upper intermediate, C1 advanced, and then C2 is the proficient level. So for teaching profession, MA French is required. So you need to do masters in French. Yeah. Or else your DELF, that is the levels you have to do in an advanced level. For example, you should at least have completed B2 or C1, like that.
Okay.
And for translation and interpretation jobs also, higher level is required. For IT related jobs and all, B1 and B1 or B2 is normally required. So it's like that. And the exams, talking about the exams, as I already told you, for teaching, you need MA French or DELF B1 or B2. So what is DELF basically? DELF is the diploma, it's the international French exam that's valid worldwide. That the students can write that after having done the course or after preparing for that particular level, they can attempt those exams and have the certificates ready so that they can use as a proof with their CV in the job market while applying for the job. The DELF certificate always comes handy. And apart from DELF exam, there's also TEST and TCF exams that you can use for applying for immigration or permanent residence in Canada.
Okay. So these levels and all we'll be able to crack if we get the right guidance. And we know that you yourself are the courses on myonlineshiksha.com and you teach French in a very, very eloquent way. So, ma'am, can you please talk about what aspects you've covered in these courses?
Okay. So the course that I have designed on our platform, myonlineshiksha.com, is basically, firstly, it's purely beginners friendly. So anybody who wants to learn French from the scratch can sign up for it. So I've covered almost all the essential aspects, starting from the greetings, numbers, alphabet, all the way up to other important vocabulary and grammar topics. So I've covered almost everything that a beginner needs. So in future, depending upon the student's requirements, I'll be creating courses for other levels as well. And comparing to the live teaching, what is the advantage here is it's a self-paced course, right? So the students can learn at their own pace. They have access to the course for a long period of time. So they can learn at their own pace, at their own free time. So that's an advantage. And they always have this chance of revisiting the lessons. They can rewind, they can pause. They have their own time. So that's a big advantage. And also at almost the end of every chapter, every lesson, I have enclosed this recap session. So I have made sure, so that helps the students to recall the topics that I've taught. So I think that will be useful for the students. I hope the students can make best use of it. And apart from that, since it's not an interactive session, I've tried my best to, add pictorial representations and images to the presentation to make it lively and engaging. So I think that will be pleasing for all the students of almost all the age groups. Yes.
Yes, absolutely. So I think you were talking about the pace, and it's very important that you as an individual should be able to learn the language according to your pace, because at times it so happens that nowadays in international schools, small children, kids are taught these new languages, and they actually don't know their own mother tongue, but they're taught these exotic foreign languages. So ma'am, what tips will you give these students so that apart from their curriculum, apart from their classroom, they can actually get the hold of the language in a better way? What will you tell them?
So, as you rightly said, learning should never be a burden. So learning should absolutely be a pleasure. So students should enjoy, kids should enjoy learning. So that can only be done in a friendly environment. So there should be no pressure on them. So I think for that case, for that criteria, I think these kind of courses will really help the children to learn at their own pace. So whenever they are interested. So I think, yes.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am. I think all the questions were aptly answered, and I think I got to learn things also. And French is, as I said, the language of the elite. And for my audience, I'll say that learning French will be a very, very good experience and a very great learning for any person. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us today. And I hope this interview was good for you.
Yes, I enjoyed. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. And for my viewers, I would like to say that we'll be launching ma'am's courses soon on myonlineshiksha.com. So stay tuned. And if you have any queries, this video will also be on the YouTube and on the Facebook portals of My Online Shiksha. So do not forget to ask questions, and they'll be surely answered. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. We'll meet next time. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.